Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love plants and want to create a beautiful green space at home, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, taking proper care of plants is the key to healthy growth. In today's video, I'll share some simple yet effective gardening tips and plant care guides that will help your plants thrive all year round. The first step to successful gardening is choosing the right plants for your environment. If you have a sunny balcony, go for plants like tomatoes, basil, or roses. For indoor spaces, snake plants, pothos, and peace lilies are great options because they require less sunlight and maintenance. Always consider your climate, available sunlight, and space before selecting plants. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Use nutrient-rich soil that drains well. A simple mix you can prepare at home includes garden soil, compost or organic fertilizer, sand or cocoa peat for drainage. This combination provides nutrients, aeration, and proper moisture retention for plant roots. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes in gardening. Most plants prefer slightly moist soil, not soggy soil. Here are some quick watering tips. Water early in the morning or evening. Check soil moisture before watering. Use pots with drainage holes. Reduce watering during winter or rainy season. Remember, different plants have different watering needs. Sunlight is essential for plant growth because it helps in photosynthesis. Some plants need full sunlight, while others prefer partial shade. If your plant leaves turn yellow or weak, it may be getting too much or too little sunlight. Adjust the position accordingly. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and produce flowers or fruits. You can use organic fertilizers like compost, vermicompost, banana peel fertilizer, cow dung manure. Feed your plants every 2 to 4 weeks for the best results. Pests can damage plants quickly if not controlled. Instead of chemical pesticides, try natural solutions like neem oil spray or soap water spray. Regularly check leaves for insects and remove damaged parts to keep plants healthy. Pruning helps plants grow bushier and healthier. Remove dead leaves, dry stems, and faded flowers regularly. This encourages new growth and keeps plants looking fresh. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a relaxing and rewarding experience. With proper care, patience, and love, anyone can grow beautiful plants at home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!